Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to get and buy expired domains for your business and website with backlinks. Search for expired domain in your browser search bar, and now here you have to open this website expired domain auctions. These links comes from GoDaddy. Just open this link and then you will directly jump into GoDaddy auction page. In this page, if you scroll down here, you will find lots of expired domains, and here we can see domain details. So this is a domain. Here we can see this domain, bids, price, and here we can see these expired domains backlinks. So all you have to need, go ahead and scroll down and search for expired domains. To get, all you have to need, just click on place bid and you'll be able to purchase the expired domains. Or if you want to search for specific categories domain, you can use the search auctions box. In this box, you have to type your requirement domains and just search for it, and here you will find the list of expired domains according to your search, and here you can see backlinks for the specific domain. All you have to need, go ahead and search for expired domains with good backlinks that match with your requirements, and just click on buy it now, and then you will be able to easily buy the expired domains for you. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.